natural iceberg arch in Antarctica, nature's frozen masterpiece. In the heart of the world's coldest wilderness, Antarctica, nature performs a silent miracle. And today, Spotlight captures one of its most breathtaking creations, a naturally carved arch in a towering iceberg. Some photos show beauty. This one shows a message. In a single frame, you see raw power, delicate balance, and the icy artwork shaped by centuries of wind, waves, and time. This frozen archway isn't just a geological marvel. It's a reminder of how our planet breathes, evolves, and waits for us to protect it. Antarctica holds 60% of Earth's fresh water, locked inside the planet's largest sheet of ice. Every layer of this frozen giant carries whispers of ancient climates, stories preserved over thousands of years. As the world warms faster than ever, these icy storytellers melt faster than ever, raising sea levels and reshaping coastlines far beyond the poles. This arch stands not only as a gateway through ice, but as a doorway to a bigger conversation. What future do we choose for our planet?